SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to switch to LTE on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Depending on your iPhone model and carrier, it's possible that you can connect to a variety of different cellular networks. But if you have trouble with certain types of networks, or if you would simply prefer not to connect to them, then you have the option of choosing LTE as a network option on your phone. You can make this change by opening the Settings app. You can then select Cellular or Mobile at the top of the screen, and then you can select Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options here. Now you can choose the Voice and Data option from this menu, and then you just need to choose LTE from the list of available networks that you can access from your phone. Note that the variety of networks that's displayed here can vary depending on your iPhone model and your carrier, so what you see here might be different than what I'm currently showing in the video now.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.